Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, and I'm so happy to see you here for another lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to multiply algebraic expressions using the distributive property. This is a skill you will use again and again in mathematics. So let's make sure we really understand it well. Here are our goals for today. By the end of this video, you should be able to multiply a monomial and a binomial using the distributive property and solve simple algebraic expressions correctly. Let's start with the concept behind everything we'll do today. What is the distributive property? The distributive property is a rule in mathematics that tells us how to multiply a number or term by an expression inside parentheses. The pattern looks like this. A multiplied by the quantity B plus C equals AP plus AC. Let's see this with a real example right away. Solve 3 times the quantity x plus 2. Here, the term outside the parentheses is 3. That is our monomial. And the expression inside x plus 2 is called a binomial because it has two terms. We distribute 3 to each term inside the parentheses. First, 3 multiplied by x gives us 3x. Second, 3 multiplied by 2 gives us 6. Now we write our results side by side. 3 times the quantity x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 6. That's our answer, 3x plus 6. Now, let's check if you've got it. We have here 2 times the quantity x plus 5. Let's try to distribute 2 to each term. 2 times x is equal to 2x, and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So, the answer is 2x plus 10. Now, let's be more precise about what we are working with. A monomial is an algebraic expression with only one term. A binomial is an algebraic expression with exactly two terms. When we multiply a monomial by a binomial, the rule is simple. Distribute the monomial to both terms inside the parentheses, one at a time. What happens when we have two binomials? Two expressions that each have two terms. We still distribute, but this time there are more steps. When multiplying binomial by binomial, we multiply each term in the first binomial by each term in the second binomial. Each term meets every other term, one by one. A helpful way to remember this is the FOIL method. F for first terms, O for outer terms, I for inner terms, and L for last terms. Let's apply this to an example right now. Solve quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 3. Our first binomial is x plus 2. Our second binomial is x plus 3. Let's go term by term. X multiplied by x gives us x squared. X multiplied by 3 gives us 3x. 2 multiplied by x gives us 2x. And 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. Now, we write all the results together.
X squared.
Plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Do you see that we have two like terms in the middle? 3x and 2x are both terms with x. So we can combine them. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. Our final answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. That's it. Always remember to combine like terms at the end to make sure your answer is fully simplified. Now solve quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x plus 2. Our first binomial is x plus 1 and our second binomial is x plus 2. Let's go term by term. X times x is equal to x squared. X times 2 is equal to 2x. 1 times x is equal to x. And 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Let's combine like terms. 2x plus x is equal to 3x. So our final answer is x squared plus 3x plus 2. Let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today. A distributive property means multiplying the term outside the parentheses to each term inside. In monomial times binomial, multiply the monomial to both terms inside the parentheses, one at a time. In binomial times binomial, multiply each term in the first binomial to each term in the second binomial. Use FOIL to keep track. Always combine like terms at the end to get your final simplified answer. These four reminders are your toolkit for today's lesson. Keep them in mind every time you see a multiplication problem with parentheses. Great job, students. You have worked really hard today and you should feel proud. Today, you learned how to use distributive property to multiply monomials and binomials, and even binomials with binomials. Remember, distribute, multiply carefully, and always combine like terms at the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.